Welcome to the Law Offices of Mary Kennedy. Today, we are going to talk about the June Visa Bulletin. We all know that it has been backwards on the final action dates. I'm not going to go in detail. You're all aware of it. What's the significant points that you could be understanding from this? So the first thing is the EB1A. Why is it, and then why it went backward on the final action dates? As we all know, the October is the time period where the fresh numbers are received. And this is an expected moment. The only concern among the discussion with other attorneys is how does it going to reflect even with the new numbers that's going to come up in 2026 of October. So when you look back, there are many criterias. It shows that the EB1As have increased significantly. The filing rates have increased, even though there are a lot of denials, and some of them even they have gone backward after the approval has happened. They are rechecking, is this on the merits of the EB1As? Still with that, the numbers have increased significantly. So even if there is a forward movement with a recapture of the numbers, it's going to go back again. How far the movement is going to be questionable, as there are multiple filings and approvals that has happened in the last 2 years of process. And the second one, coming back to the EB2, we all know how the 11 months, that was a very huge surprise. The question here again is whether USCIS did the right way of recapturing. It's a right decision that was made when they moved that 11 months on the EB2. As we had been discussing within the attorneys and other forums, one criteria we have to all understand is if you are in a place, do not switch back between EB2 or EB3. That's very, very, very important. Just retain them. In some of those cases, we are seeing the interviews being called for even though the visa numbers are not there. So those some of our applicants or our clients have filed in both EB2 as well as EB3. When you go for the interview, the officer will be explaining on what basis you are called for and what is your I-140 associated with that. In few cases, even our clients, one of them, they currently sponsoring in filing their 485J. However, as a future employment, they are also having an EB3 parallelly that's pending. So the officer will clearly clarify when you enter into the interview process what basis of your I-140, and it will be a related question onto that. If it's an employment-based filing, the interview, the process is going to be. And as a quick tip, everything will be noticed. So please dress yourself in a formal wear as much as possible or business wear. And also, there is no telephonic representation of an attorney. Find someone. It doesn't have to be the same attorney who filed the 485. Please get as much as possible support and take your attorney along with you if possible if you're going for an interview. And coming back to all these significances, what is happening is the USCIS also tries their best to recapture whatever the numbers that's available, and they are getting all the documents ready. We have spoken about medicals. If you have an expired medical, please do an interfiling and do that so that you are all prepared when the visa numbers are available for you to be filing it. And if you are in a place where EB2 as well as EB3 is there, don't rush between both. Wait for it. Use your congressman's office. If your final action dates are current, there are people who have a final action dates current and they have filed for it. And based on the date of filing, if you have filed it, definitely you will be eligible to get your EAD cards and your AP as well. Wait for that to happen. And all that we can say is we are also looking forward along with you for the moment of the EB2 and the EB3, which you had been waiting all these years. And any other support you needed, you can always email us or comment to us, and we'll do our best. And best wishes for all of you. Thank you.